I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Clipchamp and starting a new project. Choose your sequence settings, typically 16:9 and the desired frame rate. Once the timeline is ready, import the media and drag the primary clip onto the timeline where you want the blur. Now, split or navigate to the exact frame where the blur must start so you can apply an effect precisely. This first step prevents rework later and speeds up the masking process when you move into detailed editing. Next, add the blur effect from effects to the selected clip segment and position it immediately. You're doing this to ensure the whole area is covered. Then, switch to crop or mask options and draw a tight mask around the subject. Make sure to feather the edges slightly so the blur blends naturally. Once masked, animate with keyframes to follow movement. Add a keyframe, move the playhead, reposition the mask, and repeat until the subject is tracked smoothly throughout the clip. To finish, play a full preview and scrub frame by frame to confirm the blur remains locked on the target. Rendering a short test clip can reveal missed frames. When satisfied, export using your preferred codec and resolution, and verify the exported file for consistent blur. If the blur jumps or shows artifacts, reopen the timeline, refine mask positions, increase feathering slightly, or reapply keyframes. This troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.